Welcome to Minaxi Institute. I am your chemistry teacher. My name is Vipul Kumar. I will be taking the classes for the 11th chemistry. We will be doing chapter 2, a structure of atom. First we will be doing the first theory given by J.J. Thomson. He is the main person for discovering the electron formation or electron ion formation. If anyone asks you who discovered electrons, this is J.J. Thomson, electrons. He gave the theory plum pudding model. According to this theory, we make, this is a pudding, in this electrons are embedded like this. J. Thomson was failed to give the direction of the electrons, how they move, and about the formation of nucleus and many more things which he couldn't describe. So after J. Thomson, we have the theory from Rutherford. We will be doing Rutherford's alpha scattering model. Rutherford alpha scattering model. In this, we will be taking alpha particle. Alpha particle is helium nucleus. Okay. We will be bombarding this alpha particle to a thin gold foil. Thin gold foil. Okay. Thin gold foil is a thin sheet of gold which is less than 10 mm. Okay, please note it down. I will be explaining you Rutherford alpha scattering model. This is the alpha particle. I have told you alpha particle is helium nucleus. This is gold foil. Okay. This is alpha particle. When we are bombarding this with on the thin sheet gold foil, some of the alpha particle will pass straight. Many of them will pass straight. Some will reflect it back. Some will bend by a small angle, that is 30 degree. Some by larger angle, that is more than 120 degree. Okay. Many of the alpha particles pass straight. One out of 8,000 reflected back. Many of them deflected by small angles and larger angle. Please note it down. I think you have noted down. These are the observations of Rutherford alpha nuclei scattering model. Many of the alpha particle pass straight. Many of them deflected by small angle, that is less than 90 degree. Many by larger, that is greater than 90 degree. These are the observations. According to these observations, Rutherford have conceptualized his theory that for the structure of atom we have this is the atom, this is the nucleus. In nucleus we have number of protons plus number of neutrons. Okay, this is positive plus neutron, that is nucleus. Okay, and the electrons are revolving. Electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Rutherford has given these things, but Rutherford could not describe the motion of electron in these shells, or you can say how the electrons are revolving around the nucleus. So Rutherford failed. We have drawbacks of Rutherford drawbacks. Okay, because continuously when the electrons are revolving, they will fall into nucleus, and the nucleus atom will not exist. Hence, Rutherford could not describe the motion of electrons around the nucleus. Then we have next scientist named Niels Bohr. Niels Bohr's postulates. He described that electrons revolve around nucleus in definite shells, orbits. Okay, in different shells and orbits, like K, L, M, N. Please note it down. He describes electrons revolve around the nucleus in definite shells or the orbits K, L, M, N. Maximum number of electrons in K is 2, L is 8, M is also 8, N is 18. Note it down. Niels Bohr successfully describes electron motion around nucleus in definite shells, orbits K, L, M, N. Okay. After that, Niels Bohr, let us describe the main postulates of Niels Bohr. Bohr's postulate we will be doing. Like angular momentum of electron revolving is nh by 2 pi. MVR, angular momentum, you know, nh by 2 pi. Next is energy is given by minus 2 pi square me4 n square by h square. This is a constant. Energy is always constant, like negative sign. N is the orbit, number of orbit. M is mass of electron. E is charge on electron. H is Planck constant. Okay, note it down. We will be putting all these constants value in this equation to find the energy of an electron revolving around the nucleus. Note it down. So energy of the electron revolving minus 2 pi square me4 n square h square. Energy is minus 13.6 kilojoule per mole upon n square. Another formula is minus 1312 kilojoule n square. Okay. Let me correct this. Electron volt per atom and a kilojoule per mole. These are the different expressions for the energy for respective units. 21.8 10 to minus 7 kilojoule n square. Note it down. All these values come after you put the value of these constant pi me n square h square. This is the energy, and the energy maximum is 0 at infinity. N is infinity, energy is 0. Okay, so the energy for the electron revolving around the simple hydrogen atom was given by the Bohr's concept of energy shells and orbit. In next class we will be doing different more concept for the same structure of atom, so stay tuned.